We have a church in Mechanicsville, Virginia. Let's see how they sounded on Sunday. I can tell that they have all the pieces there. They just need the mix. Bro, stop flickering. Why are you flickering? Good tone. Great tone, buddy. Good work. This guy sounds awesome. Fantastic.
Every low and every heart, I know that I know. Got faith as sure of things.
On Sunday, this is what these guys sounded like. Now, this is what they sound like.